Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon if you want to receive further video notifications of our channel.
Hey, would you like to impress your friends with some incredible facts around the world? If yes, then do watch this video and please do not forget to like, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. My name is Dhruv and you are watching Knowledge College. You will be amazed to know that in 2.3 billion years, it will be too hot for life to exist on Earth. Over the coming hundreds of millions of years, the sun will continue to get progressively brighter and hotter. Do you know that babies have around 100 more bones than adults? Babies have about 300 bones at birth, with cartilage between many of them. With age, many of the bones fuse, leaving 206 bones that make up an average adult skeleton. Isn't that amazing to hear? One more really amazing fact is that the Eiffel Tower can be 15 cm taller during the summer. When a substance is heated up, its particles move more and it takes up a larger volume. This is known as thermal expansion. Conversely, a drop in temperature causes it to contract again. For this reason, large structures such as bridges are built with expansion joints which allow them some leeway to expand and contract without causing any damage. Do you know that 20% of Earth's oxygen is produced by Amazon forest? Amazon forest is covering 5.5 million square kilometers, that is 2.1 million square miles. The Amazon rainforest cycles a significant proportion of the Earth's oxygen, absorbing large quantities of carbon dioxide at the same time. You will be amazed to know that Hawaii moves 7.5 cm closer to Alaska every year. Hawaii sits in the middle of the Pacific plate, which is slowly drifting northwest towards the Northern American plate, back to Alaska. The plate's space is comparable to the speed at which our fingernails grow. You certainly must have heard about polar bears. Polar bears are nearly undetectable by infrared cameras. Thermal cameras detect the heat lost by a subject as infrared, but polar bears are expert at conserving heat. The bears keep warm due to a thick layer of blubber under the skin. Add to this is a dense fur coat and they can endure the chilliest Arctic day. Do you know that stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve stainless steel? Your stomach digests food thanks to the highly corrosive hydrochloric acid with a pH of 2 to 3. This acid also attacks the stomach lining, which protects itself by secreting an alkali bicarbonate solution. The lining still needs to be replaced continually, and it entirely renews itself every 4 days. Some metals are so reactive that they explode on contact with water. Isn't this shocking? There are certain metals including potassium, sodium, lithium, rubidium and cesium that they are so reactive that they oxidize or tarnish instantly when exposed to air. They can even produce explosions when dropped in water. All elements strive to be chemically stable. In other words, to have a full outer electron shell. You will be amazed to know that if you took out all the empty space in our atoms, the human race could fit in the volume of a sugar cube. The atoms make up the world around seem as solid but are in fact over 99.9999% empty space. An atom consists of a tiny dense nucleus surrounded by a cloud of electrons spread over a proportionately vast area. Do you know that a teaspoonful of neutron star would weigh 6 billion tons? A neutron star is the remnants of a massive star that has run out of fuel. The dying star explodes in a supernova while its core collapses in on itself due to gravity, forming a super dense neutron star.